Are you looking for the ants? Do you see them? Say hi. What do you see? Ants? Is there ants there? Yeah? Whoa!
Remind me to spray out here tonight.
Okay.
And before I had sprayed all the way around the outside edge of this to try and keep anything off.
Is there more ants?
What?
Ants, yep. What?
I'm just looking at your white hairs.
Thanks, honey. Thanks. Appreciate that. They'll be gone soon. I'm recording.
Oh, are you? Go around.